I've called all these crows to the house. I don't know if you can see them. This crow call really works. There were none around there. Look at this. This is all from my crow call. Look at this, right above the house. Look at this. Never had any call except for occasionally a squirrel call. There's one right there. Listen to them. They were nowhere. There were two a couple blocks away, and I came out in the call, and they all came over here. They're all kind of spreading out now. Let's see if I can get them back here. Yeah, they're coming back. Watch. See what's coming back. Interesting. I think it's worked that good. That's weird. I had like two just sitting on a tree about 2 blocks away, and all of a sudden I had them called all over here. The wind's pretty bad today. See if I can get them all back. They all went away.